Hello, welcome to the presentation on registration of assets in eGreenwatch portal. To do this, you will have to log into the Aranya portal, aranya.gov.in. There you will find a link for iConcurrent camper monitoring and evaluation system. Clicking on this link will take you to the eGreenwatch portal homepage. Here under login, to register all your assets, it's better that you select your DCF logins provided to your offices and key in the appropriate DCF login and login. Type in the the password, and you're also supposed to enter this code that is being reflected here. Click login. Now we have logged in as a DCF. This is your home page, and in your main menu, the second tab which you can see is the asset and worksite management. Click on that link, and there you find this plantation worksites. Please note that you are registering only the plantation worksites and not the actual plantation, and especially these plantation worksites are of non-CA land. The sites that are non-CE. So click on register other plantation sites. This is the registration page. In the site name, put the site name. Here in my case, I'm taking a site that is in Challakere Reserve Forest. It's Challakere Reserve Forest at Oblapuram village. So site location is, again, it's in Oblapuram village. If you know the survey number, you can please also key in the survey number. Oblapuram village, Challakere Reserve Forest, and it's a Vibhuti Gudda, Vibhuti Gudda means project area. Then extent area and the extent of the land on which the plantation will be raised is selected, and please select the range. Since you are logged in as DCF, you need to select the range. It is Challakere in this case. And the site location, whether it is in forest land or other non-forest land, please select. If you select forest land, you will have to specify the beat and the compartment details. So if you know the beat details, it's Oblapuram. In case you are not aware of the beat details and the compartment details or the block details, please specify as, yes, here I do not know the block. I put it as any that is not available or not applicable. Compartment detail is not applicable, not applicable. And here, if you have only one GPS point, you can select this and upload one GPS point. Or if you know the corners of all the polygons, you can upload. And polygon of the worksite, if you have a KML of the site, you can directly enter the KML file and upload it. So here I do not have the GPS location. I'll register directly, register other plantation sites. So my worksite, the site has been successfully saved and an asset code is generated. The second part is to register plantation on this worksite. For this, we need to go to main menu and select works and estimates. Under works and estimates, there is plantation work. You register a work. To register this work, select range and select the scheme head. The main scheme head is camper and the subcomponents are being displayed here. This is an ANR model, so I am selecting assisted natural regeneration as the scheme head and select site type. This is a non-CA site, so I take it as other work site. And here you cannot key in the work site. If you key in also, it will take to a list of, you'll be selecting the work site from the drop down menu from this page. So I'm selecting all, search site. You'll find the site that I have registered right now. So this is Challakere RF at Oblapam village. I select this. Once I select this, it gets automatically reflected in this page. So it is automatically taken now. And I need to enter the location details, which is non-mandatory, but still I try to put in some details. Right, it's a Vibhuti Buddha, sorry. Mines project area. And net area proposed for plantation. It can be the same or less than the area that is registered. List of blocks and compartments where plantation is carried out. If it is not available, you can put it as any, not applicable. And the project year, in which year the project was supposed to take. Here it is a 2010-11 project. And work duration. How many years is this project going to run for? Usually all our plantations is a 5-year-old or 4-year-old plantation, 4-year duration projects. 5 year in case of advanced work, raising, and 3-year maintenance. And 4 years where you take up monsoon plantation, but pitting and planting are done in the same year. So it is work code, it's non-mandatory. You need not bother about that. And you need to put the plantation work name in English. It's in plantation in Challakere Reserve Forest. And you put the same thing in your local language. Challakere Kaidita Araniyadalli Nedutuppu. So put the introduction of this. You can just key it's a ANR model plantation. Objective to assist natural regeneration of species. The methodology that was taken up, it was gap planting. The method was manual, mechanical or semi-mechanical. It's manual in this case. Plantation type, it is block mixed or it is a gap plantation. I did gap plantation. Total number of species to be planted as takes some 2. Total number of plants that were planted in this region was 625. Since it's a gap plantation, we did only 625 plantation pits. Land nature was a plain slope or hilly. This is a hilly land. The average slope, if you know, you can just put it, or if it is not available, you can just leave it across and put any remarks that is available. In this I put and register plantation work. Your plantation work will be successfully registered and you get a notice saying that the plantation work has been registered successfully. To add in more detail to this plantation work, you can, if you are continuing with this, you have these aspects, or else we'll see that in the next chapter. How do we put in the photographs and how do we upload the KML files? It will be dealt in second chapter. Thank you.